If you've ever needed to download a Google Drive folder to your computer, this video is going to make the process quick and simple. Whether you're saving work files, school projects, photos, or a shared folder from someone else, I'll show you the exact steps to get everything onto your computer the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to your Google Drive account. You can do this by visiting drive.google.com and signing in with the Google account that has access to the folder you want to download. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the left side and click on My Drive. This is where your folders and files are usually stored, and it's the best place to start if you want to find the folder you need. Next, browse through your drive and click on the folder you want to download to your computer. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top to find it faster. After selecting the folder, look at the top menu. You'll see a download option there, and that's the button you need to click. Google Drive will begin preparing the download for you. At first, you may see a small notification in the corner saying that your download is being prepared. That's completely normal. If the folder contains multiple files, Google Drive has to compress everything first before sending it to your computer. In other words, Google is zipping your files into one downloadable zip folder. Depending on the size of the folder and how many files are inside it, this may take a few moments. Once it's ready, the zip file will download automatically to your computer's default downloads folder. You may see the file name appear in your browser's download bar or at the bottom of your screen, depending on the browser you're using. After the download finishes, go to your downloads folder on your computer and find the zip file. To open the contents, right-click the file and choose Extract All if you're on Windows. If you're on Mac, you can usually just double-click the zip file to unpack it. After extraction, you'll have access to all the files from that Google Drive folder directly on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a Google Drive folder to your computer. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.